Hi everyone, Vanshil and Jan, and we are in sunny Bulgaria, in Sandanski, the warmest and hottest town in Bulgaria. So we are standing on the street where we are renting our accommodation. So we stayed in the hotel, which consists of apartment. Well, it's like rooms, and some of them with kitchenette, and some of them are just like hotel rooms, so it's a bit of the mixture. We asked specifically for the room with some kitchenette, so we have kettle and like a small electrical stove, which to be honest we never used, so it's the end of our stay pretty much. And the food here in restaurants is very cheap, so we were eating outside. The only what we were doing in the room drinking coffees and teas. And of course I wanted to show you, if maybe some of you will decide to come to this town and stay, then there are a lot of hotels and apartments in here where you can stay. They have internet and bathrooms, of course, and TVs with English speaking channels. I think there is one, maybe two French, German, and of course Russian and Bulgarian channels. So I think on the time when I was looking for the accommodation, it was really quite fast. We had to look for it, so I had only few weeks, so it wasn't booked months ahead, so we didn't have much choice, okay? And so we got urgent, let's say, and that was the best deal. I think it's 288 euros in total from about 2 weeks, okay? Slightly more than 2 weeks, I would say, so it wasn't a bad price, and we are quite right in the center. That's what I'm going to show you. So right now I'm just standing a little bit at the bottom of that street, where you can see one of the main streets starts over there, and the center would be just behind this building, and the main street, the walking street Macedonia, will be about 5 minutes walk. So that's what I wanted to show you, how close it is. I didn't expect it would be that close, but it is only 5 minutes walk up. And the hotel itself stands right here. It's that one, and Weiss Hotelska Kiše. See, Kiše means building. And so now I can walk a little bit away, so you can see what it looks like from here. The view of it, it's not very big, and you see the weird thing is up there on the roof is a little bit unfinished, but the hotel itself looks like that. It has a small restaurant underneath. I don't know if they work together or not, but I think they have an option as a breakfast. We never had, because they only have like European breakfast. So it's like yogurt, something else, but not proper English breakfast or eggs, bacon or something, because one day we decided to go and have a look and try it, and unfortunately they said no, they don't have it, it's only European breakfast. So that's how I say, better not to buy breakfast, not pay extra, but just go on the street and buy something out there. Have like nice sausage rolls, like only about 18 cents euros, I mean. Okay, so this is our apartment right on top. You can see there's a balcony, okay, and that one, and we'll go inside. The restaurant itself is actually quite nice. We've been eating in the evening, had some meals, so had some fish and Bulgarian port, and the price is also about the same as everywhere. The only thing is here you can see that's the car service, and it's really noisy. They start walking early in the morning, and they make a lot of noise on the street. And also, of course, in the evenings sometimes people having something to eat and parties. It's really noisy on that side, so if you can ask the other side with the mountains view. So that's the entrance, so you can see that's the phone number, but they have, I found them on the booking.com, so you see the booking.com partner, so where you can read all the good reviews. So it does have very nice reviews. So we're inside, and this is the reception. Usually there is nobody there. I don't know, you need to call someone, because when we arrived, I guess when they know someone arrives they will be here, because when we arrived somebody was there. So this is the entrance to the garden. So I'll just show you a little bit around, so you will see what it looks like. You see they have there's a laundry room. It's where they wash the main sheets, of course. so it's not for visitors. So that's the parking. Okay, so it includes parking, which is really nice because many hotels don't have parking. You actually have to pay. They have a lot of paid parkings here, believe it or not. Yes, and so they have a little garden. So a little bit of view, you see, that's kind of they have many rooms out there, but most of those rooms have like 2 beds. So we wanted one big double bed, so that was on the other side. You see this side, it would be much better and quieter. I will show you the views from the top floor afterwards, but there are really nice views of the mountains with some houses. So like I'm saying, this side is really nice, and our side is not as quiet, unfortunately. So a bit noisy during the day, early mornings, and sometimes at night. I mean, people don't scream, but they just like sit in the cafe, in that restaurant, and laugh very loudly, Here, this is probably the prices. It says apartment, you see 55 levs, you see that's the prices, studio 45. So if you like just divide all this in half, you would know what the price is in euros again, okay? So like 50 lev for Staya is the room, and I think it's like 3 rooms or something, I don't know. Okay, so 50 levs, about 25 euros. You see they have like really good rates, 9.3, 9.2, so it is really nice. You can see it's really clean. Unfortunately there is no lift, okay, no lift, but the place is really clean, and they have nice sheets, bed sheets, very nice, yeah, you know, not bubbly or anything, and they do come and clean, not every day, but enough, so it's not, the room is kept clean. So you see, have flowers here, and the apartments, the flats, you see, like I'm saying, they have studios, apartments, rooms, all different types of accommodation in here you can choose. So I just wish, like I'm saying, it would be the other side with the nicer views, because we kind of get this unfinished building. It's very common here in Bulgaria to not finish and have people to live on the bottom and unfinished on the tops. Really weird. I mean, it's not very pretty outside when you see it, but it is what it is. So you see, I have cleaning now. Don't know if they cleaned our room or not. So we have lights. That's it. You see, here's finished. The rest of it takes you to the roof, where I'll show you the views. And in here, okay, we should switch on. Oh, that's it. You also have ironing board and iron. It's like shared, so you can use it and then just have to put it back. No hair dryer, unfortunately, but maybe I should have asked, and maybe they would give it on request, but I didn't ask. But now I'm going to show you the room inside, guys. So that's our room 201 on the other side. So I'm just standing inside because it's a very small entrance, but I have wardrobe. You see the harness there, and inside it's a bit view. No safe, unfortunately, by the look of it. Okay, this is the bathroom. So you see I'm standing here inside, and I have soap. Okay, so soap, shampoo. Well, we have our own, but doesn't matter. What I don't like is that, look at the shower. The shower is just like this. So pretty much going to wash, and all of this is going to be wet. That's what I was saying. It's quite common in Bulgaria. They have just wet room. So it's all going to be very wet everywhere. So can't keep my stuff around here, I guess. Okay, so let's see the room itself. A little table here, and this is the bed. Okay, so they have air conditioner, which is nice. Another table here for the computer, and the internet is also included, and the parking included here. Okay, so there is a fridge. Okay, so that's the fridge, and we have a little bit of more light is a bit better, but okay, for now just keep it. And little kitchenette, so if we have to do something, well, I would like to have a cup of tea, of course, but there is no kettle at this moment, but we were told that they will bring it to us in a minute. so we can have cup tea. Well, that's it. What else out there? Nothing. In here. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's just some little bits and bobs, and nice balcony with some seats. Not fantastic views, but a little bit of the mountains, let's say. Just a little bit. Look at the clouds. I think it's going to be rainy. And the house is still, like, this one is in front, is not finished. So it's very hilly. Well, right there on the hill, in the hill. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's 201 number. Well, that's all, my dear friends. And by the way, I've forgotten to say that Sandanski is the birthplace of Spartacus. Remember the gladiator? So yeah, that's a very interesting and historical town. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're interested to watch the other videos from Bulgaria, I think it's going to be interesting for many of you. And bye everyone!